All right, so this is 3.6. We want to identify functions, and then we also have some function notation. This first problem wants us to find the domain and the range of the given relation, the given set of ordered pairs. And so what we want to do is just list the domain and the range, okay? So domain, I want you to remember that's the x values. Okay. Also note you only want to list each value once. Just say one time. So that means if an x value were to repeat, you wouldn't want to repeat it. You just want to list it once. So I'm going to put D for domain. Since it's a set of ordered pairs, I'm going to put a curly bracket because I'm just a list. And then I'm going to list all the first coordinates. They don't have to be in order. I'm just going to go from left to right. So the first number I see is 7. And then in the second parentheses, the first number I see is 0. So that's the x values. In the third parentheses, I see a 4. And then in the fourth one, I see a 1. So I'm only listing the first coordinate. These are going to give me my domain values. And then when we do the range, we're going to list the y values. Same rules. We just want to know which y values occur. So I'm going to put quotation marks for ditto. So I'm going to put an R for range. I'm going to put a curly bracket since I'm listing. And then I'm going to list the second coordinate. So I'm going to list a 9, and then a 2, and then a 1, and then a 4. Okay, so this is my domain and range. I just want you to tell the first coordinates and the second coordinate. So 7, 0, 4, 1. They already have the little curly bracket there, okay? And then the range, which we already have listed, 9, 2, 1, 4. All right, so this one we want to determine if the relation is a function. So remember, when we're looking for a function, the x value cannot be repeated. So I'm just looking at the first coordinate only. Note that I did not mention the second coordinate. The second coordinate can repeat, but the first cannot. So we have a -4, 3, 8, 9. -4, 3, 8, 9. None of those x values are repeated. So is the relation a function? Yes, it is.